Hi Lola! Happy birthday!
Hi Tita Babes, happy birthday!
Hello ate!
Happy birthday!
Happy 50th birthday!
Sa birthday mo, pero iinggitin kita para ma-manifest mo and you'll come back to Europe one day with your family.
Happy birthday Arlene! Happy half century!
Happy birthday, bro!
Hi Arlene! Happy 50th birthday!
Hi Ate Babes! Happy 30th birthday! 50th birthday, pero hindi naman po halata.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Babes! 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Thank you sa food! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ma'am Babes! Maligayang Karawan, Ma'am Babes!
Medyo busy lang kami kasi palagi kami nandito sa St. Luke.
Every day. Happy birthday! More birthdays to come and sana matupad yung mga pinagpe-pray and wish natin for you.
Yeah, and more to come. Happy birthday! We love you!
Wish ko lang sa'yo is like kang masaya and no more stress and be healthy and more blessings. Yun lang. Bye!
Para sa nag-iisang Disney Princess ng Tapaking, kami po ay bumabati ng maligayang kaarawan. Nawa patuloy po kayo i-bless ni God sa iyong mga hangarin at sa iyong pamilya. Happiest birthday, Ma'am! Happy birthday!
I hope today makes you feel as special as you truly are. Wishing you love, happiness, good health, and amazing memories for the year ahead. We love you. Enjoy your day.
Wish ko ay bless ka pa ni Lord ng long and healthy and happy life. Thank you sa lahat-lahat ng tulong mo sa akin. Nandito lang ako para lagi kang samahan sa mga bata at para tulungan ka sa mga lakad mo. I wish you all the best in life. Enjoy your day and mahal na mahal kita. Nagpapasalamat ako kasi may isang tita babe sa buhay ko. I love you. Happy birthday again.
50th. I hope you have a wonderful birthday celebration. I'll see you next time I come back.
Yep.
Right? Mamamasyal ulit tayo. Travel more. BFFs.
Treat na lang pag-uwi namin dyan.
Extra. Okay. Happy birthday again. And I love you and miss you. See you soon.
Bye!
Golden girl! So, kaming tatlong lola is next year pa. So, you're celebrating your 50th tomorrow. Syempre, we're all wishing you all the best in life, lalo na in health, especially kasi mas importante yon now that we're aging. So, alam mo naman na we're always here for you. Diba? BFFs nga, best friends forever. Me, Deli, and Chapusit, we'll always be here for you. And this is to more of our adventures together. Traveling, goal natin yan. Tandaan mo, itutuloy pa natin yan. Hopefully next year, you're going to celebrate with us. Kaming tatlo kasi mag-50th na rin next year. So, sasabay ka na rin sa amin. Hopefully, matuloy tayo. And syempre, enjoy lang tayo kasi hindi tayo pwede sa drama. Hindi ako magda-drama today kasi pang-comedy ang mga lola. Diba? I love you!
So, wishing you more birthdays to come, happiness in life, and success sa lahat ng mga pinaplano mo sa buhay. Maligayang kaarawan.
We wish you all the best!
Good health,
More blessing!
happiness,
Stay pretty and glamorous! Yes!
Hoping you, wishing you all the best in life, prosperity, good health, and everything your heart desire.
Happy birthday, Ate.
And ito yung compilation of some of the birthday greetings from all your family here in Austria.
Happy birthday today. Hope you have a good time celebrating your 50th birthday. We love and miss you so much.
Happy birthday!
hey, happy birthday.
Hey, Ate Babes. Happy birthday. This is my husband. He's new. You will get to know him once. I'm so looking forward to meet you again. Bye bye.
Aber Deutsch, du kannst Deutsch sagen. Sagst du Deutsch? Gut. Alles du musst sagen zum Arlin Happy Geburtstag. Alles Gute.
Happy birthday!
Ja, super. Yan, karon. Sige. Ate Babes, happy birthday. Sumbol.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Babes.
Pinaka-pogi ng pinaka-pogi ng ano nga ba sa pantok o yan.
Happy birthday, Tita A.
Day.
Happy birthday, Ate Babes. God bless. More blessings.
Hi, Ate Babes. Ate London. Happy birthday. Stay healthy and beautiful as always. We love you, Ate Babes. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, babes. Sana hanggang 100 years.
Happy birthday,
happy birthday.
God bless. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Oh, naka-rival pa.
Ate Babes, happy birthday. Meron na akong regalo sa'yo dyan, ha? Bahala ka na. Isang taon yun.
Happy birthday, Ate. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Oh, dali! Bilisan mo na, matutunan! Dali na, matutunan! Ang tagal mo, ha? Diyos ko, ang tagal-tagal. Hindi, pang comedy lang tayo. Ano, sumasali din sa... Hindi, sana hindi mo na ako nag-shower. Buti na lang maayos yung pananamit niya ngayon. Hindi, naka-ano. Andito na ang mga panauhing pandangal. Ayan ang panauhing pandangal. Bumaba ka na, Lola. Bumaba, okay. Pandangal driver. Driver. Ayan po kami. Say hi. Saan ang pinaka-earliest? Ayan. Naka-style naman yan. Wala, naka-style.